This is Group D, which is usually at the paddock, but nowadays because it's really muddy outside, although the sun is out, but it's still really muddy because of the rain, heavy rains from the past month. So they are staying in this dry area, which is really important again for their hooves. We have here Victory coming over to say hello, although he is without his name tag, and Desmond also politely coming to say hello. So yeah, they enjoy their hay as well. And we have Zoe with us. And of course we have Bernie coming over.